Agency law defines the relationship where an agent acts for a principal. In real estate, this relationship can be formed through express agreements, written oral, implied actions, estoppel, principal's actions lead others to believe agency exists, or ratification, principal approves prior unauthorized acts. Agents have actual, implied, or apparent authority and must act with care, follow instructions, avoid conflicts, and prioritize the principal's best interest. Agency ends through mutual agreement, task completion, term expiration, or other specific events. Negligence law addresses harm caused by failing to exercise reasonable care. Proving negligence requires showing a duty of care was owed, that duty was breached, the breach caused harm, causation, and actual damage occurred. Real estate professionals owe this duty to clients and third parties. Defenses include the plaintiff being partly at fault, contributory negligence, or knowingly accepting the risk, voluntary assumption of risk. Related concepts include caveat emptor, buyer beware, patent, visible, versus latent, hidden defects, and legal remedies like damages. Today, we're diving into two critical legal concepts in the world of real estate: agency and negligence. Understanding these is vital whether you're a buyer, seller, or real estate professional. Let's break it down. First up, agency. Simply put, it's a legal relationship where one person, the agent, acts for another, the principal, like a real estate agent representing a client. How is this relationship formed? It can be through a clear written or spoken agreement called an express agreement. Sometimes it's implied through actions. It can also happen by estoppel, where a principal makes a third party believe someone is their agent, or ratification, where a principal approves an agent's unauthorized action after it's done. Agents have different levels of authority to act for their principal. Fiduciary duties ensure agents build trust and represent clients well. Key duties include care, using skill, loyalty, client interests first, communication, keeping clients informed, and accountability, responsible handling of funds. These are foundational for a trustworthy agent-client relationship. Now, let's switch gears to negligence. This is a failure to take reasonable care, causing harm to someone else. In real estate, this could involve providing wrong information or failing to disclose property defects. To prove negligence in court, you generally need 4 things. 1. A duty of care was owed. 2. That duty was breached. 3. This breach caused harm. And 4. The person suffered actual damages or loss. Real estate professionals owe this duty of care to their clients and often to third parties too. Important related ideas include caveat emptor or buyer beware, meaning buyers are responsible for checking a property's condition. However, there are exceptions, like misrepresentation by the seller or agent. Also, know the difference between patent defects, easily visible issues like wall cracks, and latent defects, hidden problems like internal structural issues. If someone claims negligence, defenses might include showing the injured person was partly at fault, contributory negligence, or that they voluntarily accepted the risk, voluntary assumption of risk. Agency in real estate law means an agent represents a buyer or seller and must act in their best interest with honesty and transparency. Negligence occurs when an agent fails to show reasonable care, such as not disclosing important property details. Understanding these concepts is key to ensuring successful transactions. Agents should be aware of their responsibilities to maintain trust and avoid legal issues. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more insights.